Have you ever wondered what would happen if a customer slipped in your oil change shop, or if you accidentally scratched their car during a routine service? What if your equipment got stolen overnight? That could cost you thousands, or even shut down your business for good. That's why getting the right insurance isn't just smart, it's essential. In this video, we're going to break down step by step how to get oil change business insurance in the United States, what it covers, why you need it, and how to save money while getting the protection your business deserves. To start your safest journey, check out the link in the description box below. Step 1. Understand why oil change business insurance is important. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly go over why this kind of insurance is a must-have for oil change stations. Running an oil change business involves a lot of moving parts, literally. From handling expensive tools and lifting heavy vehicles to working around slick floors and driving customer cars, there's plenty of room for accidents. Business insurance can protect you from out-of-pocket costs related to accidents, injuries, property damage, lawsuits, and theft. Step 2. Know what's typically included in an oil change business insurance package. What's included? Let's take a look at the 5 main types of coverage typically included in an oil change business insurance policy, especially when you're getting it from providers like Next Insurance. General liability. This is your basic must-have. General liability covers accidental injuries and property damage. For example, if a customer slips on spilled oil and breaks their arm, general liability insurance can help cover their medical bills, legal fees, or even a settlement. Garage keeper's liability. Included in Premier and Deluxe policies, garage keeper's liability helps cover damages to your customers' vehicles while they're in your care. Let's say you scratch a car while changing the oil, this type of insurance could help cover the repair. Faulty work. Nobody's perfect. If you accidentally use the wrong oil and it damages a customer's engine, faulty work coverage can help pay for legal defense costs or claims related to that mistake. Hired and non-owned auto, HNOA. Do you or your employees sometimes use personal or rented vehicles for business tasks? HNOA insurance protects you if those vehicles get into an accident while used for work. Commercial property insurance. If you have tools, lifts, or even a shop you lease or own, commercial property insurance can help you repair or replace your equipment if it's damaged by theft, fire, or extreme weather. Step 3. Figure out what coverage you need. Alright, so now that you know the types of coverage, it's time to figure out what your specific business actually needs. Ask yourself questions like: do I own or rent a shop? Do I store expensive tools and equipment on site? Do I or my employees ever drive customer vehicles? What's the foot traffic like? Are slip and fall accidents likely? Do I offer any additional services like tire rotations or diagnostics? Your answers will help determine whether you need all 5 types of coverage or just a couple to start with. Step 4. Get quotes from insurance providers. Now it's time to shop around. Providers like Next Insurance specialize in small business insurance and let you get a quote online in minutes. Most will ask for some basic details like your business address, number of employees, types of services offered, value of equipment on site, any certifications you hold. Based on this info, they'll give you a customized quote that fits your business. Step 5. Look for bundles and discounts. Here's a pro tip: you can save a decent chunk of change by bundling your policies. Next Insurance offers up to a 10% discount when you bundle 2 or more policies. In total, you could save up to 25% depending on what you include. You can check out the link in the description box below. So, don't just get general liability, combine it with garage keepers and commercial property to maximize your savings and your coverage. Step 6. Understand what affects your insurance cost. Wondering how much this is going to cost? The price for oil change business insurance can vary depending on a few key factors, including the types of services you offer, where your business is located, the value of your tools and equipment, whether you have certifications, if you bundle more than one type of coverage. Getting certified and bundling policies are 2 of the easiest ways to lower your insurance premium. Step 7. Complete the application and get covered. Once you've chosen your provider and selected the coverages you need, you can complete the application process online. With Next Insurance, it's fast, easy, and you can get covered the same day. Step 8. Use your insurance to grow your business. Here's something you may not have thought about: insurance isn't just about protection. It can actually help your business grow. Having the right insurance can open up more opportunities. For example, leasing or purchasing a shop often requires proof of general liability. Clients are more likely to trust businesses that are fully insured. You can take on more work with peace of mind knowing you're covered. Bonus: tips to make the most of your coverage. Here are a few final tips to get the most out of your oil change business insurance. Review your coverage annually as your business grows. Keep detailed records of all accidents, repairs, and equipment. Train your staff on safety procedures to reduce claims. Stay up to date on your certifications. Don't let your policy lapse. Set reminders for renewal dates. Alright, that wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to get oil change business insurance in the US. Are you looking for a trusted insurance provider who has a lot of experience? One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.